Meantime, the Supreme Court has handed down a major decision upholding the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. The banking industry had argued the watchdog agency is illegally funded. But today, in a 7-2 opinion, the court rejected the attack and a major win for the Biden administration and Democrats. Let's bring in ABC senior Washington reporter David Muir and ABC News business reporter Alexis Christoforous for more on this. Devin, big picture, what does this ruling mean?
It's a big win for the Biden administration, as you said, Phil, and also for consumers, those who sought protection from corporate financial abuses after the 2008 financial crisis. This is the agency that was created by Congress, led by Democrats, Senator Elizabeth Warren, to try to prevent some of those abuses, things that preyed on consumers, confused consumers during the mortgage crisis that led up to that period of time. And conservatives for years have sought to undermine the agency, get it struck down as unconstitutional. And this was a major challenge in that vein, Phil. Here, a number of banks had said that the agency was unconstitutionally funded because Democrats had designed it to be insulated from Congress. Instead of having to go to Congress every year to ask for money, this agency is funded through the Federal Reserve, and it receives a standing amount of money every year, so it can't be eliminated. And today, Justice Clarence Thomas, in that 7-2 opinion, said that structure, that mechanism is constitutional. The agency can stand, and all those regulations that it's passed to protect more than 4 million consumers, handing down $20 million in fines to banks over the past few years, all of that can remain in place now going forward because they rejected this challenge.
7-2 is a firm decision. Having said that, Alexis, how does this impact consumers?
Well, they're not going to see any change now after the Supreme Court ruling. This agency will be able to continue to do what it's been doing since 2011 when it was created post the financial crisis of 2008. It will continue to crack down on predatory lending and enforce consumer protection laws. The agency releasing this to us here at ABC today, saying this decision is, quote, a resounding victory for American families and honest businesses alike. They're saying they delivered more than $20 billion in consumer relief to hundreds of millions of consumers, and that they've also handled more than 4 million consumer complaints since their inception. Had this gone the other way, it could have put other agencies at risk that get their funding through the Federal Reserve, like the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, which we know, helps to protect our money in the bank.
All right, Alexis Christoforous, David Muir, thank you both very much.